In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Overwhelming number of us are of the view that I am ready to do so many of the things. I am ready to do plenty of things, even the difficult things, if I am accompanied by my favorite person. If I am accompanied by my favorite person. My favorite person, my favorite person, and my favorite person. My favorite place, my favorite route, my favorite transport, my favorite dish, my favorite restaurant, and my favorite. This is this is a mantra we have been repeating in our mind. Strange thing. But let me tell you that this is not the attitude of the winners. This is not the thinking of the winners. Rather, this is the thinking of the losers. This is the thinkers thinking of the losers. This is a very famous book containing laws of power. One of those laws is a law of power is don't put too much trust in friends and learn to use enemies. Don't put too much trust in friends and learn to use enemies. Putting too much trust in the friends, having a kind of blind trust in the friends, having too much of the trust in the friends, have been tried and tested by millions of people. Even today, millions and millions of people are putting too much trust in their favorite personalities, in their favorite persons. But this is the best way to turn the friends into enemies. Talk to the people who have partnered with their best friends. Speak to the people who have partnered business with their best friends. Only after some of the times, only after some of the time, their best friends turned into their worst enemies. Their best friends turned into their worst enemies. Why? Because they partnered their business with their best friends. Here comes the law of power. I repeat, don't put too much trust in friends and learn to use enemies. And if at all you are always trying to eat your favorite dish, you cannot find the new good dishes. Let me tell you with enough amount of confidence that anybody and everybody who is always bent upon trying and eating their favorite dish, they cannot find the good new dishes. And the people who are always visiting their best restaurants, they cannot find a new good restaurant. They cannot find. I assure you, they cannot find new good restaurants. And the people who are always traveling on their favorite route for vacations for holiday, let me assure you, the they can find a new good interesting route they cannot find. They cannot find at all. And the people who are always using their favorite transport, let me assure you, they cannot find another good transport. And last but not the least, if you are always trying to spend your time with your favorite friend, with your best friend, you cannot find the new good friends. You cannot find. That is why I said that this is the attitude of the losers and not the attitude of the winners. Now, what is the attitude of the winners? They are always trying to explore the new avenues. They are always trying to explore the new avenues. New avenues. This is the trouble. Always bent upon your favorite things. Most of the time, doing your utmost to get your favorite thing, your favorite place, your favorite person. This is called the comfort zone. This is called the comfort zone. People trying to live in the comfort zone, they cannot enter the empowerment zone. Trying to stay in your comfort zone is the best possible way to cripple yourself, to become handicapped. If somebody wants to become a handicapped person, if somebody wants to become a crippled person, if somebody wants to become a resourceless person, if somebody wants to become in a to a disempowered person, if somebody wants to live in a disempowering state of mind, I think nothing is a better way as compared to the living in the comfort zone. What is the comfort zone? The comfort zone is always trying to get your favorite thing, your favorite place, your favorite person, your favorite route, your favorite transport, your favorite food, your favorite restaurant, your favorite company. All of these things are addictions. All of these things are your addictions. Addiction disempower you. Trying to live and to survive in the comfort zone is an addiction as well. It disempowers us actually. It makes us weak. It makes us crippled. It debilitates us. It disables us. It is something debilitating, disempowering. Nothing but disempowering. Nothing but disempowering. If somebody want to become a disempowered human being, is if somebody want to if somebody want to live in a disempowering state of mind, if somebody don't want to make advances, if somebody don't want to move forward, nothing is a better way as compared to this one. And quite contrary, vice versa, just the opposite of it. Conversely, if somebody want to move forward, develop, become more confident, all what he or she need to do is to minimize. I'm not saying preclude, although preclusion is better, but at least minimize the usage of your best, your favorite things, your favorite people. And again at the end, I shall like to repeat the law of power. Don't put too much trust in friends and learn to use enemies. Thank you. Jazakallah.